Alright guys, when you fast travel to Riften, you're going to want to come all the way over to the Bee and Barb. Right here. You just come over to that bridge, and right here is the Bee and Barb. Oh, that was weird, it like moved me. Next off, what you're going to want to do is find a wooden plate. My game is being very slow today. I don't understand it. Like, it took 5 minutes just to fast travel to Riften. Right, once you're in the Bee and Barb,
I don't have any business.
she has wooden plates right behind her. Whoops. See right here. Hold X. Come right to here and start walking. Alright, it's difficult to get into it, but I did it in one try. That's not so bad.
Break up, my boy. Break to those who have fallen. May their souls.
Alright, it's really easy to get into.
Take it easy, Father. You're making a scene.
Alright.
I'll rest easy when we've driven every last Imperial pig back across the Gerald Mountains.
Alright.
Now, do me the honor,
Now, usually I've already gotten it, but once you get down here, there's a do not delete. I've already gotten it. So let me see if I have a do not delete in here right now. Go to my MISC. And I do not. But I will show you. Whoops. There are 2 chests right there. But they are worthless. They have crap in them. I've already checked them with the do not delete that was right there. All you have to do is walk through that wall, jump down to where I was and walk over. And the do not deletes you can jump on without falling through them. So there you go. There will be a do not delete there. Now the second do not delete in Riften is right over here where the blacksmith is.
I've been looking for you.
Aw, come on.
Let's see here.
Let's see here. Let me check my penis for some notes again.
Inheritance. Oh, and sorry for your loss. Looks like that's it.
Items added.
Help! I'm getting out of here. Someone do something.
Don't hurt me.
I go into the scorched hammer. There's an assassin after me. I don't know. I'm a wanted man. I don't know why. Alright. Once you come in here, find a wooden plate. They're usually right here.
He's teaching me all about being a blacksmith.
Yes, I've heard that millions of times. Now walk down here real slow so you don't drop the plate. Come all the way over here. Once you walk downstairs, come to right here. Come to here. And walk through the wall. Now there will also be a do not delete right there where my cursor is. So there will be a do not delete right under there. I know it's kind of hard to believe, but it will be there. So now let me go ahead and get this chest. Oh, I was a little bit off. Alright, let's go get that chest. I'll show you what that chest has after I've gotten everything out. Let's see if it's replenished. Alright, apparently I can't get to it, but we'll try it one more time. But I've shown you 2 do not deletes. I was so close that time. Now I know where to go for an easier shot at it.
I don't know why, but he thinks I could be a great blacksmith like him.
Well, that's nice to know that you could be a good blacksmith. You know, I wish I was a blacksmith. Oh, I know what I need to do. Activate my turbo. Alright, if you have a turbo controller, it's a whole lot easier. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Where'd that plate go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Here you are.
Have you met Balaam?
Yes, I've met Balaam.
He's teaching me all about being a blacksmith.
It's nice to know. Sheesh. Watch, he's about to say it again. Have you met Balaam? He's teaching me all about blacksmithing. Oh, fudge. They're all that time trying to get through there. Alright, well, there are 2 do not delete, so I'm about to end the video. Check out all my other videos of Skyrim. Aw.
I used to live at the orphanage here in Riften. Rolad said my ma and my doll left me there when I was a baby.
Come on. Alright, this is my last try once I get out. I'm going to activate my turbo once I get stable enough. Oh, wow. Knocked me back in.
Has been so kind to me. I don't know why, but he thinks I can be a great blacksmith like him.
Doubt it.
What are you doing that for?
No. I was trying to activate my turbo, but I can't. Apparently, I can't do it.
First, I don't know why he never even held a hammer in my life. But the first time I picked it up, it just felt right.
Alright. My turbo is activated now. Okay, apparently I did not do it, so let's try it one more time. Once it gets fair. I really do suck at this. As you can see. Did it fall? Oh, okay. Sometimes the plates can fall right through the wall. Wow. Stupid plate. Ah. I'm seeing what I'm trying to get at level 161, what I can get. That's why I'm trying so hard. No. Sometimes I can knock you back in if you move too much forward. There we go. Alright. This is what you can get after 20 tries. At level 161, you can get all this crap. 11 Sword of Blizzards, Winnowing, Orcus, War Axe. Minor alteration. This pickaxe does 79 damage. How does it do that? Scaled Helmet of Restoration. Of Major Restoration. Waning Shock. Oh, he has 2 of those. Virtuous 11 Bow. Or Elven, whatever. I'll take this gold. He has some really good stuff. So at level 161, this is what you can get. So I hope you leave a like, comment, and subscribe.